Hi everyone, welcome to Live Blogger. In this video, I will show you how to install WordPress locally on your computer. So let's get started. Whenever you're developing a website or a WordPress theme or a plugin, you shouldn't do it on a web server. You should first do it locally, and if everything works fine, then you can move it to a web server. So to develop locally, you need to have a local environment of WordPress set up on your computer. So let me show you how to install WordPress locally on your computer. I'm going to show you two methods of installing WordPress. The first method is the easy one. So we'll be using a software called Local by Flywheel. So just search for Local by Flywheel on Google and you will find this website, localbyflywheel.com. Just go to the website, and here we can see we have the option to download Local for free. So just click on free download and then go ahead and choose your platform. So you can choose Windows, Mac or Linux. Once you've done that, just fill in these details and click on get it now, and it will be downloaded to your computer. Now once it is downloaded, just go ahead and install it just like all the other applications. Alright, now open the application and you will see a screen similar to this. So here are all the websites that I had created earlier. To create a local WordPress website, you can go over to this icon and click on add new site, or you can just click on this plus button over here. And first of all, you need to add the name of your website. So we'll just name it Live Blogger. And we have some advanced options over here like the local site domain. So if you type this on your browser, it will open the local website that you had created. And there are these other advanced options which you don't need to change. Just click on continue, and here it gives us the latest version of PHP, and we have this web server and database. You can customize these options over here as well, but let's just keep it on preferred and let's click on continue. And here you need to set up the WordPress username and password. So we'll just type admin over here, and then just click on add site. And here we can see our Live Blogger local site has been created. So this process will take some time, so just stick around with that. Now once you have added the site, just click on start site over here. Right now it has already started this site, so we can just click on view site. So it has installed WordPress and activated the default theme for us. Now if you want to log into your admin, you can just go ahead and type WP admin over here, and then type in your username and password, and here's the dashboard of your local website. You can also go to the admin by just clicking on this button over here. So this is basically how you create a local WordPress website using Local by Flywheel. Right, so now let's stop this site and I will show you another method of installing WordPress locally. Now if you weren't able to install WordPress using Local by Flywheel, then let me show you this method of manually installing WordPress on a local server. So you need to install a tool called XAMPP. So just go ahead and search for XAMPP and then click on this website, apachefriends.org. And XAMPP is basically used to create a local server on your computer for working with PHP and Perl. And this is a popular tool used by all the PHP developers to create PHP websites. Alright, so first of all, you need to download XAMPP for your operating system. So it is available for Windows, Linux and Mac. So just go ahead and download the version you need. Now the other thing you need to download is WordPress itself. So just go to wordpress.org and click on Get WordPress. And just click on download WordPress. Once you have downloaded WordPress, just go to the location where you had installed XAMPP and then run this file called XAMPP start. So just double click on that, and XAMPP has now started. So let's just minimize this. Now in your browser, just type localhost and you should see this page right here. If you see this page, then it means that you have installed XAMPP successfully on your computer. Now go back to the XAMPP folder and open the htdocs folder. And this is where we keep all our projects in XAMPP. So let's go ahead and create a new folder and we will name it Live Blogger. And now if you go over here and type localhost / liveblogger, and here we can see it has opened the liveblogger directory, and we don't have any files over here yet. Alright, now what you need to do is copy the WordPress zip file that we had downloaded from wordpress.org and paste it over here. Now you need to extract the files from the zip, so just click on extract here. Now go inside the WordPress folder and copy all these files and paste it inside the liveblogger folder. Now just delete the zip file and the WordPress folder. Alright, so we have copied all our WordPress files to the liveblogger folder. Now just go to the browser and type localhost / phpMyAdmin, and it will open phpMyAdmin for you, and here we can create and manage our databases. So we need to create a database for our website. So go ahead and click on new and just name the database. So we'll just name it liveblogger, and then click on create. Our database has been created. Now just go ahead and close this and then go to localhost / liveblogger, and here we can see the WordPress setup configuration page. So just select the language you want and click on continue, and then you need to have the database name, username, password and host. So just click on let's go, and here you have to type the name of the database. So the name was liveblogger, and in XAMPP the username is usually root, so just type root over here. If you have changed the username, then you have to type that name over here, and the password is blank by default, and then the host is localhost, and then you can set the prefix for your table name over here. We'll just leave it as it is, and we'll just click on submit, and then click on run the installation. And here you have to fill in some information. So the site title is liveblogger, and then you have to set the username and password for your website. So we'll set the username as admin, and for the password we will type admin *123*123, and make sure to remember this password because we'll be using this to log into our WordPress website. And then enter your email ID over here. So I'll just type a dummy email. Now click on install WordPress, and here we can see WordPress has been installed. Now let's click on login, and we'll type in our username and password, and here's the dashboard of our website. So we have successfully installed WordPress locally using XAMPP. Alright, so that's basically it for this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below, and click on the like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.